Hello, in front of me I have ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start by swiping left on the screen to go to the next page, like this, and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Now let's scroll all the way down and select the system. Here let's select languages and input. Now let's tap on virtual keyboard. Here select Gboard and tap on languages. Here we have a list of languages for our keyboard, and to change the language we just need to tap on Add Keyboard to open the list of languages. Here let's find the language you like to use. In our case, let's select something like, for example, Arabic. Now we can select the region, for example, Egypt. Here you can select keyboard layout. You can select one or multiple if you want, and then tap down to confirm. Now we have two languages. You can remove, for example, English to make the Arabic one default, and to do it just tap on this edit icon in the top right corner, select English, and tap on the bin icon to remove it. Now let's go back to home screen, open something we can write in, for example, Google, and as you can see, the keyboard is in Arabic. Now you can also have multiple languages and switch between them quickly, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go back to the settings, add the English language back right here. As you can see, now we have two languages. We can go back to something we can write in, and we have a keyboard in Arabic, and to switch it to English just press and hold on the spacebar right here. This menu will appear. You can select the English language and the language changed. You can also bring it back to Arabic as you like. You can also open this menu, open the menu and tap on language settings right here to go to this menu. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.